Hi there, my name is Jo Baird of Jo's Crafty Hook, and in today's video tutorial I am going to show you how to do the running stitch. As you can see, I have a flat piece of yarn here, which is going to be a hat or a beanie. So what I'm going to do to close this is I am going to use the running stitch. So be sure to match your sides, and then you're going to insert your hook into that first stitch, and then you find your first stitch on the other side, put your tapestry needle through that, and you draw through your yarn. Next, and this is important in the running stitch, is you're going to go to the second stitch on the other side of this hat. So you insert your tapestry needle into that stitch, find your second stitch on the other side, put your needle through, and then pull through your yarn. Okay. Next, you're going to go to the next stitch on the front side, put your needle under both loops, make sure you have it under both loops. You're going to find the third stitch on the other side and put your tapestry needle through there, and you're going to pull your yarn through. Okay, and then as you can see, our yarn there is going through our stitches. It's just like sewing, sewing a garment, sewing a hat, which I'm doing now. Okay, so I'm on the back side, so I'm going to put my tapestry needle through the next stitch under both loops. Make sure you get it under both loops. Then you're going to find your matching stitch excuse me, on the other side and put it under both loops and draw through your yarn. Okay, I'm going to tighten this up so you can see how it looks on both sides. So as you can see, it's going up and down, and then you can see it on the other side. So I'll show you a couple more. So I'm on the front side. I'm going to find the next stitch, put my tapestry needle under both loops, find the matching side of the back, and put my tapestry needle through both loops, draw my yarn through. I'm on the back side, so I'm going to insert my tapestry needle under both loops of the back side, find the both loops matching on the other side, put your tapestry needle in and draw through. Okay, one more time here. We're on the front side, so we're going to go under both loops of the front, find the matching stitch on the back and go through both loops. I'm on the back side. I'm going to insert my tapestry needle under both loops, find the matching in the front, go under both loops and draw through. And as you can see, you have the look on both sides. And this is a good way to make your stitches line up on the back side of your beanie. Okay, so I'll just show you a couple more here. I'm on the front side, so I'm going to go in the next stitch under both loops, find the matching on the back, go through both loops, pull my tapestry needle through. I'm on the back side, so I'm going to go under next stitch both loops, find the next stitch on the front and go under both loops. And there you have your running stitch. I'm just gonna continue showing you a couple more. Just go real slow. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, you can enter those in the comments section below. If you'd like to see any other video tutorial of left-handed instructions, you can put those in the comments as well. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel while you're here. You'll find a lot of helpful video tutorials on stitches. So if you'd like to see a certain one, be sure to put that in the comments section. You can find me at joescraftyhook.com or on Facebook, Joe's Crafty Hook, or Joey Lee Baird. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.